Government just released its monthly report on inflation. That's the Consumer Price Index.
And CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger joins us now live from New York with the results. Jill, let's jump right in. What did the new data show us?
Well, unfortunately, the inflation rate is going up. It's not nearly as bad as it was a few years ago, but we saw the inflation rate increasing by 2.7% from a year ago. That's up from the May reading of 2.4%. Wrong direction, right? The core rate removes food and energy because they're volatile categories. That rate was up by 2.9% from a year ago. I mean, overall, we are just starting to see the impact of those tariffs creep into this inflation report now.
I mean, we've been dealing with this higher inflation now. I mean, obviously not as high as it was 3 years ago, but how are Americans absorbing these higher prices? It seems like they're still spending. Are they going to continue to do that?
You know, it's interesting because incomes have gone up a lot. We know that over the last 5 years. Just go back to the pandemic. I could draw you a beautiful chart that shows, wow, household income is ahead of the inflation rate. Maybe, but, you know, a lot of Americans have a pretty legitimate gripe that the rising cost of living in this country is significant. And think about three categories. Think about health care, housing, and automobiles. They're all a lot more expensive now, and because they're such big categories, that can create a strain on household budgets.
So, Jill, you know, I'm given all the concern about the tariffs and inflation. I was actually just looking at a report. The average tariff on imported goods, it's the highest it's been since the Great Depression now. The stock market has recovered since April. Why do you think that's been? It's almost like it's not matching up here.
Yeah, I mean, I think part of it has to do with the investor community looks forward, not back. And what we're getting in this data may be a little bit of backward looking. But the reality is those stocks that plunged by almost 20% after the president announced those high tariff levels in early April, those stocks have all clawed back all those losses and then some. It's been a remarkable round trip. And I think it's investors who are looking beyond the tariffs. They're really counting on the president backing down or delaying a lot of those announcements. I just want to put out a tiny warning. I'm not a Cassandra. I'm not predicting the worst is yet to come. But remember, if those higher tariffs do come to fruition and inflation starts rising towards 3.5% or 4%, that's going to slow down the economy. It's going to eat into earnings. And we might look back on this period and say, that was a place when investors were a little too complacent, a little too sanguine about what could happen next.
A little too optimistic, maybe. All right, Jill, as always, great to see you. And you can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News. For more money, more analysis, I should say, go to jillandmoney.com.